Welcome to Gregory's Brick Adventures. Let's play. Hi. Today I'm showing you the play features of this yellow semi truck. So first, the play feature that I'm first going to do is the engine. So the thing for the engine, the hood for the engine opens, and you could close it, and then you could take off the roof and you could put it back on. You could open these two doors, and this, so there is this, and you could open this and close it. You could put this back inside and close it. And you could take off the hot dog and put it on. And you could take off the ketchup and the mustard. Sign doesn't even do anything. And now I am doing the forklift. So what the forklift could do is this could lift up, this could go down and up, and this could go like that. And now I'm showing what the trailer could do. So the back doors over here open. And then these could all open. Then you open all of these. And the forklift, you could actually pick them up like that. And take them like that, put them down. And you could do that with every one of them. Even these ones. And you could get these out, and there's actually something in them. Twos. So these are what twos there is inside of this. This one. These are what twos that are inside the other one. You could put them back in, then close that. And you could take off that, and then you could take off the first aid kit. Doesn't open because it's just one brick. And the fire extinguisher, and there's a fire extinguisher that also comes off. And then we could put that back on. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Gregory's Brick Adventures.